Hi, I'm Stevie, writer and director of Forgotten Fortune, our latest film produced by the team at Full Credit Media, in partnership with Sherwood Films and executive producers Dr. Mark and Dr. Michelle Sherwood. This film features an incredible cast: Lou Ferrigno, Jimmie J.J. Walker, and Brian Shoop, and a number of other amazingly talented actors from right here in Oklahoma. Over the last few years, I've had so many conversations with friends who are walking alongside their aging parents, uncles, and aunts. People facing cancer treatments and surgeries, mobility issues, and many families dealing with the heartbreaking reality of dementia. These are the people who raised us, who defended us with their time in the service, who encouraged us, taught us, made us laugh, our childhood heroes. And now, for the first time, they're the ones who truly need us. Forgotten Fortune is my tribute to them and to every family that steps up to care for an aging loved one. The story follows an aging postal worker in the early stages of dementia who happens to witness a murder while walking his old route. But nobody believes him, except his two most trusted friends. To make things even more interesting, he's also made a $2.5 million windfall from investing part of his retirement into something we made up called game shop stock. But he can't remember where he put the paperwork to say where the money is. So of course, again, nobody believes him about that either. What unfolds is a family-friendly murder mystery comedy with heart, a story that will make you laugh, feel, and cherish the people closest to you. And now, I'd like to personally invite you to join us for our exclusive Tulsa premiere, Friday, December the 5th. Doors open at 6 p.m. at the Renaissance Tulsa Hotel and Convention Center. Many of the cast will be there, including Lou Ferrigno, taking pictures, signing autographs, and celebrating with all of you. It's always a spectacular evening, dinner and a movie, all for a donation that helps support Hope Dealers International, a fund created by the Functional Medical Institute to help patients in need receive essential medical care. You'll find a link to tickets at ForgottenFortune.org. We hope to see you there, and we can't wait to share this beautiful message behind Forgotten Fortune with you. Thank you for making the time to join us for our exclusive Tulsa movie premiere, and for being a kind force in the caring for those we love the most.